We got the whole night. on a journey, on a